The S25 Ultra reviews suggest Samsung is focusing on the things that matter most in real life. Better night shots, better zoom, better stabilization, and much more natural colors. This is the year Samsung refines everything, instead of just making numbers bigger. Alright, here's the overview. Early reports suggest Samsung is working on a massive camera overhaul for the S25 Ultra, including a new 200MP main sensor, but with improved low-light performance, a redesigned ultra-wide lens with higher resolution, a better periscope zoom camera, potentially with more consistent clarity at long distances, improved AI image processing, powered by Samsung's next-gen chipset, and enhanced video stabilization and HDR video. The S24 Ultra already delivered strong camera performance, but the S25 Ultra seems to be aiming for even sharper detail, brighter low-light shots, and more natural color accuracy. Let's start with the main sensor, because this is the star of the show. Samsung isn't increasing the megapixel count, it's sticking with 200 megapixels, but the real upgrade is in the sensor quality and light capturing ability. Better low-light performance, faster autofocus, more realistic detail without over-sharpening, improved color tones, especially skin tones, cleaner night shots with less noise. In simple terms, the S25 Ultra might give you images that look sharper, brighter, and more natural, especially in tricky lighting. Next up is the ultra-wide lens. Samsung is boosting the resolution of the ultra-wide camera, which could mean sharper edge-to-edge quality, better detail in landscape shots, less distortion around the corners, and improved macro mode. This is great for travel photography or group photos where you want to capture more in one frame. If you're someone who loves shooting wide, this upgrade could make a noticeable difference. One of the biggest is that Samsung has refined the camera. While the exact zoom level isn't confirmed, reports suggest Samsung is focusing on more stable long-range shots, better detail at 20x to 30x zoom, cleaner low-light zoom, faster focusing when zooming in and out. Instead of chasing extreme zoom numbers, Samsung seems to be focusing on making zoom shots actually usable, which is great, because real-world clarity matters more than just hitting 100x. Now let's talk about where Samsung might be making the biggest leap: AI processing. The S25 Ultra include a new generation of Samsung's AI tools, possibly improving scene detection, skin tone accuracy, motion tracking, noise reduction, HDR blending, and shadow detail. This means your photos could look more natural and balanced straight out of the camera, with less of that overly processed look that older Samsung phones sometimes had. The phone might also handle motion better, so shots of pets, kids, sports, and moving objects look cleaner. Samsung also worked on major video upgrades. We're talking improvements like better image stabilization, cleaner night video, brighter, more accurate HDR recording, smoother focusing transitions, more realistic colors, and possible improvements to 8K recording.
Samsung phones are already strong video performers, but these changes could make the S25 Ultra one of the smoothest and most reliable phones for creators and vloggers. Even though this video is focused on the back cameras, there are tweaks observed in the front camera. Improvements include sharper selfies, better low-light performance, more natural skin tones, improved stabilization for selfie video. If you take a lot of photos or videos of yourself, this could be a nice bonus.
So, what does all this mean? The Samsung S25 Ultra 5G is shaping up to be a more balanced, more consistent, and more realistic camera system, especially in low light and when zooming. Sharper details, brighter photos, cleaner video, but without the overly processed look. And that's everything we know so far about the Samsung S25 Ultra camera upgrades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.